Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to track your Kikoff loan balance. All right, let's get straight into it. Through online access, what you want to do is to log into your Kikoff accounts online, and then you want to navigate to the loan details section to view your loan information, and then your loan current balance will be displayed along with the other loan details such as interest rates and payment terms. Now on the mobile app, how you want to do that is to first download the Kikoff mobile app from the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices, and then log into your Kikoff account, and your current loan balance is going to be displayed on the app's dashboard. Now for email and text notifications, you can set up email notifications to receive regular updates on your loan balance and payment schedule. You could also set up text notifications to receive regular updates on your loan balance and payment schedules. Now for phone support, you can always contact Kikoff customer support team by phone to inquire about your loan balance. You're going to need to provide your account information to verify your identity and access your loan details. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to track your Kikoff loan balance. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.